Ortur H10 Auto Homing Exception Solution. Method 1. In the laserable console, type $RST equals asterisk to restore the factory. Plug in the power cord and USB cable to start the machine. Open laserable. Connecting the machine. Type $RST equals asterisk with an asterisk in the console and press enter. Connection successful. Method 2. Check if the X-axis and Y-axis motor cables are plugged in properly. Check that the X-axis motor cable is plugged in properly. If the X-axis motor cable is not plugged in. If the X-axis motor cable is not plugged in. The X-axis motor cable can be automatically returned to its position once it is plugged in. Check if the Y2 axis motor cable is plugged in the same way. Method 3. Check that the Y-axis and X-axis limit switch wires are plugged in. Check that the Y-axis limit switch wire is plugged in. If the Y-axis limit switch cable is not inserted properly, the power switch does not return to its position when activated. Y-axis limit switch can be automatically returned to the position once the cable is plugged in. Check if the X-axis limit switch cable is plugged in the same way. Method 4. Check the tightness of the X-axis and Y-axis synchronous belt. Push the X-axis assembly. Check the Y-axis synchronous belt tightness. Push the X-axis assembly back so that it touches the limit points on both sides of the rear frame assembly. Use a spanner to loosen the side screws, but do not remove them. Continuously adjust the screws here according to the tightness of the timing belt. Tighten the side screws after adjustment. The right side of the Y-axis synchronous belt is adjusted in the same way as the left side. After adjusting the Y-axis left and right timing belts, push the X-axis assembly backward again so that it touches the limit points on both sides of the rear frame assembly. Slide the X-axis slide plate to check the tightness of the X-axis timing belt. Slide the X-axis slide plate to check the tightness of the X-axis timing belt. Use a spanner to loosen the top screws, but do not remove them. Put a spanner into the side hole and keep adjusting the screws according to the tightness of the timing belt. Tighten the top screw after adjustment. The above methods have been tested. The automatic homing is still abnormal, then it may be a motherboard problem. Need to contact after sales to replace the motherboard.